In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install GIMP via terminal on Windows in the fastest way possible. This is a super simple method, and it's perfect if you want to install GIMP without searching through websites, downloading installers manually, or clicking through a bunch of setup screens. Using the terminal and Winget can save you time, and it's also a great way to install apps cleanly on your PC. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let's jump right in. First, on your Windows computer, press Win and X at the same time. This opens the Quick Access menu. From there, click on Terminal, or if you prefer, you can open Command Prompt as an administrator. Opening the terminal with admin access can help avoid permission issues during installation, so that's usually the best option. Once the terminal is open, you're going to type the install command exactly as shown, winget install GIMP. After typing that, press Enter on your keyboard. This command tells Winget to find the official GIMP package and install it directly onto your computer. If this is your first time using Winget, Windows may ask you to accept the source terms or additional agreements before continuing. If that happens, just type Y and press Enter to confirm. This lets the installation proceed. After that, the installer will begin working in the background. Depending on your internet speed and computer performance, this may take a few moments. During this time, Winget will download the necessary files, verify the package, and complete the installation automatically. The good thing about this method is that you don't have to babysit the setup process. Just let it run until it finishes. Once the installation is complete, you should see a success message in the terminal. At that point, GIMP is installed and ready to use on your computer. You can close the terminal and open GIMP from your Start menu whenever you want. And that's it. You've now installed GIMP via terminal on Windows using a quick and reliable command. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more app installation guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.